Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by ensuring your Realme phone is on the latest Realme UI. This matters because dashboard options move between versions. Once done, make sure battery is above 20% and your data is backed up if you plan changes. Now open the Settings app and type Dashboard in the search bar or scroll to Home Screen and lock screen settings. This first step gets you to the correct menu, so you can enable and customize the dashboard quickly without hunting through unrelated submenus. Once you reach the dashboard settings, toggle the feature on and grant any requested permissions such as usage access or notification access. Those allow real-time metrics. Next, choose the modules you want visible, for example, app usage, screen time, battery, and notifications, and adjust their order so the most important items sit at the top. Make sure to set refresh interval and widget sizes to balance accuracy and battery use. This step controls how data appears and how frequently it updates. To finish, place the dashboard widget on your home screen or open it from the smart sidebar. You can also use the settings shortcut to view it directly. Test the setup by using apps for 5 to 10 minutes and confirm the dashboard metrics update accordingly. If values don't refresh, reboot the phone first, then re-grant usage and notification permissions, and finally clear the dashboard or home app cache. This common troubleshooting sequence resolves most visibility or update failures.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.